Hey guys, I will show you now how it is working currently with the lines drawing instead of dots. So there will be in the next update lines instead of dots. And yeah, to be honest, it was pain in the ass to do so. And I will remove a lot of stuff from the admin menu and the main config right now because we don't need the cycle stuff anymore. Where is it, by the way? Okay, let me see. Okay, I already checked it, I guess. So, yeah, so let's see. Oh, here, I'm done. So this will be removed entirely. The cycle points calculation stuff, it's not used anymore. So let me show you the map. I use AB at the moment, testing it with AB, because it's practically using the same system or the same way, kind of like AB Master does. I got inspired by him and his mod, but yeah, so far it's working fine. The only issue is you see here, sometimes the lines are drawing in, and this is just some fake calculations, basically, and this has to be fine-tuned, but so far it is working pretty good. You can see that here. So this is nothing that is, I would not say game breaking, but it is kind of weird, right? But you can live with that until I fine tune it. So I can release this stuff on like Friday maybe. So yeah, it's drawing here. It's drawing on the minimap, as you can see. So if we port now, oh yeah, and Community Online Tools is using it also now. And VPP is also using it, but I unloaded VPP because it fucks around with the interface. For example, if you go into the options menu, you always get a display if you want to just keep your settings or reset it, and yeah, it's pretty annoying. That's why I don't use VPP anymore. So what else can we say? Let's go to this here. You will see this is yeah, so I did not. Sometimes the minimap has to be closed and open again to update. This will also be fine-tuned later, but it is working for now. So if, okay, it's because, yeah, if you open the map in COT or any admin tool, it maybe interferes with the AB minimap. If you close that, yeah, it does, because it resets the instance. Okay, so then the normal player won't see that. It's just when you use admin tools. So now let's go to the zone editor. The map is not updated yet for the new system, will come soon. And remove this zone here. And then you see it's on the minimap, it's updating automatically. It redraws it and closes the other cycle. As you can see, the green lines are gone and the red lines are fully now. So that's basically it. And it will update like it does for the old cycle dot drawing. So we can remove here some zones. This is a user config I got to test with. So let's remove like all these Krasno. Oh, sorry. And then we reload zones. And then we see it is updating automatically. It's still working the same. Now if we go into Krasno, for example, this is just testing, we put here, and And then we create a zone right here. I have tested this with just one zone into zone right now. Oh shit, that was a mistake, but whatever. So this has a radius of 150, for example, at our position. And it is drawing zones inside zones. So now let's add another zone. New zone 21. Let's have a radius of 75. Position safe. And it's drawing inside the zones. That's fully fine. And as you can see, the lines are pretty good looking so far. And also it is less client-side performance FPS intense than the old usermarks system I used. This is way better. You can have limitless zones now without any issues. And now let's use, I don't know if I have, is it, no, this is the, let me see if I can find the config with the Polygon. Map marker, PvP, PvE. Copy config zones. Yeah, we use the default one. So I paste it here, save, and we reload. Reload zones, map. Okay. Did I update it the wrong one? Yeah, I did. Fuck me. Okay, zones. Okay, now we have it. Reload zones. Now you can see the drawing for Polygon is also very good now. It is also drawing a line. There is no issue at all, as I can say. For now, let's remove the vertices here. Try again. Reload zones. As you can see, now it's a triangle. That's pretty cool. It's looking way better now than instead of using user marks and drawing dots. This is for LB. I can quickly show you how it is looking with the wait a second, mods. So here we remove the server pack testing for LB. Oh, Jesus, come on. Okay, there we go. Server. Let's remove LB master. Yes. Okay, so we have to install under, and then we install license, of course. So now we load pretty much vanilla and expansion. So you can see that it's working on expansion also. Yeah, and as you can see, the map drawer is less code now. It uses now a wrapper and different calculations. And yeah. Let's see. It also works with the vanilla map, of course. Currently, I have not tested it with the vanilla ++ map, and yeah, that's basically it. Vanilla ++ is not tested yet. I will do that today, and trying to add it to the admin menu map of my admin menu, and then we will see how it goes, right? So okay, we are inside now. So there is the drawing. As you can see, you can still use everything expansion delivers all the markers and all that stuff. And yeah, so when we change this again to the default one and reload zones, we see it is working perfectly fine. So I can still try to test it with admin menu, and I go here and we can spawn, like, I don't know, let's spawn airdrop. It's military. Okay, it's not. Oh, is it? Sure. No, it's not drawing the airdrop, it seems. Oh, it was the wrong one. Oh, wait. That's when you use different configs and you usually use zone type 1 is correct. Why is it not? Let's change the Northwest Airfield to be PvE. Oh. So we can be object spawner. Okay, now it's working. It's because of the new system when you enter the zone, but it seems still not. Oh, it does. Oh, that's because the radius is that big. Let me check. Make it 100. Maybe then it's working. May zones. Spawn it again. Yeah, it's because the radius was too big. It is closing up with the Northwest Airfield outer ring. So if an airdrop lands there, it is not working like it should. Or at least, but that's something special case, right? So let me spawn it here. Yeah. Where you will have the airdrop marker anyway. So it's anyways in a PvP zone. So why should we draw another full cycle? That's stupid. So yeah, let's go here. Let's see what happens if we spawn it here. Yeah, see, it's drawing this then, and there's a small gap, but yeah, that are small things, I would say, right? But yeah, it is working like it should right now. It's way better than dots, right? Okay, so that's pretty much it for now. I hope you like it, and I hope I can release it on this coming Friday before the weekend starts. Otherwise, I will release it next Monday or Tuesday. We will see. All right, see you later, guys.